Today, I'll walk you through how to enable or disable double opt-in, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your email subscription settings so you can enhance your audience engagement. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not familiar with Mailchimp, it's a powerful tool for managing your email marketing campaigns, so don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Once you're logged in, click on the Audience tab. This is where you can view and manage your contacts. Think of it as your email marketing address book, where you can keep track of who you're communicating with. Next, locate the three-dot menu on your audience page. This menu provides additional options for managing your audience settings. Click on it to reveal more choices. After that, select Audience Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your audience, including your opt-in preferences. Now scroll down until you find the email opt-in settings. Click on Edit. Here, you'll see options for managing how your subscribers confirm their email addresses. To enable double opt-in, click on the double opt-in option. This feature requires subscribers to confirm their email address through a confirmation email, ensuring that they genuinely want to receive your communications. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click on Save Opt-in Setting. This step is crucial to ensure your changes take effect. If you decide you want to disable double opt-in later, simply click on Edit again. It's totally normal if this takes a moment. We all learn at our own pace. Next, select the Single Opt-in option. This allows subscribers to join your list without needing to confirm their email address, making the process quicker for them. Finally, click on Save Opt-in Setting once more to finalize your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully managed your double opt-in settings. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.